It is time for yet another exciting episode of
How's the Market?
Where I'll get you up to date with what's happening here in our housing market in Brevard County and of course the Cocoa Beach area. We're 4 months into the new year and trends are starting to emerge. Inventory's kind of leveled out. Sales are down some, but not terribly far behind of last year, plus a few others that I'll get into in just a moment. My name is Eric Larkin, and I'm a real estate agent here on the Space Coast. When I'm not making videos like this one, I'm helping folks buy and sell real estate. So if you have plans of making a move, let me know how I can help. All right, Brevard County, our active inventory, we're at 2355. We sold 1,277 in April, puts us at just under a 2-month supply of properties for sale. Average sales price was $421,000. Median sales price was $350,000. And our list to sell ratio is 93%. Average price per square foot, $235. Average days on market, under 39 days. We had 455 properties sell in 7 days or less. We had 43 properties sell for over $1 million, with the highest price at $3.8 million. And there were 33 homes selling for under $200,000. Onto the condo market in Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral. Active inventory is at 124 condos ranging from 120,000 to just over $1 million. There were 61 sales in April ranging from $75,000 to $950,000. We're just over a 2-month supply of condos. Average sales price was $390,000. Median sales price was $385,000. Average price per square foot, $311. And it was 53 days on the market on average. There were 7 condos selling for under $200,000, and the best-selling complex was Harbor Isles in South Cocoa Beach. Onto the single-family home stats for Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral. We have 30 active homes for sale ranging from $429,000 to $2.7 million. There were 13 home sales in April ranging from $535,000 to just over $3 million. We're at a 2.3 month supply of homes for sale. Average price back over $1 million. Median price was $810,000. Average price per square foot, $479. Average days on market, just over 39 days. We had 0 homes sell for under $500,000, and we had 5 homes selling for over $1 million. I know I just rambled through a lot of these numbers that may or may not make any sense for you, but what do you think is happening with our housing market here in Brevard County? Please let me know in the comments. So our Cocoa Beach housing market, specifically the single family homes, sales this year compared to past years, our numbers are way down. And I think a lot of that has to do with some of the inventory that's available. 30 homes are for sale right now. 6 of them are brand new construction that are at least 12 months out, so not even ready for immediate occupancy. There are 19 homes for sale right now that are well over $1 million. Just between those two numbers, that explains why some of the sales are down here locally in Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral. Yet April was kind of a bright spot for home sales in Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral. We had 13 homes selling, which were the most properties sold since September 2022. So right now there are 10 homes that are under contract in Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral, and the average price of these homes is $765,000. Yes, sales are down as a whole for Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral single-family homes, looking over the last 5 years. But if you look what's happened with the prices here in the area, that's certainly one of the reasons why things are down some. Plus our inventory, we're only at 30 homes available, with 6 of them being new construction. So there's not much to choose from if you're wanting the Cocoa Beach or Cape Canaveral area. Looking at all of the Space Coast, our active inventory has kind of leveled off at 2,400 properties for sale. Last 2 years, it's certainly higher than what we're used to, but if we go back to before 2019, we're still very low. We're averaging about 1,200 properties selling every month, which puts us at a 2-month supply of inventory, which is still an extremely aggressive seller's market. Yes, we do have some homes that are selling under list price, but we're also having homes that are selling over list price as well. Even though our average days on market is over 43 days for the year, we're still seeing 35% of the homes selling in the first 7 days. So what does all this mean? If you're looking to sell, just know with the inventory being lower than what we're used to seeing, there's a good chance that your house is going to sell quickly and at a very good price. Just know buyers are a little more particular today than they have been over the last 2 years. A clean and well-kept home is going to sell much quicker at a higher price than a neighbor's house that might not be as in good condition. Insurance costs are definitely having an effect on how buyers purchase a property. If your roof or air conditioner is over 10 years of age, then know that that's going to come up in the negotiations at some point, either upfront with the initial offer or after the home inspection. Since most homes are going to need to have a 4-point inspection in order to get insurance, besides the roof and air conditioner, make sure that the plumbing and the electrical is in good shape too. If your hot water heater is over 10 years old, that might come up. If the shutoff valves underneath your sink are corroded, there could be issues with the buyer getting insurance. So you could either deal with this during the process with negotiations or maybe do a little preliminary work to make sure these things are taken care of to make it a smoother process for you when you're selling your home. And if you're looking to buy a property, don't try timing the market. Interest rates, you might as well accept. They're in the mid 6% range right now, and that's our new reality. Talk to your lender before you start shopping so you have an idea of what that higher interest rate means for you in regards to buying power, what your monthly mortgage commitment's going to be, so you're educated up front before you start shopping. And once you do buy the house, if the rates do drop in a couple of years, you can look into see if refinancing makes sense for you at that particular time. Also know that there's a lot of buyers that are on the sideline that are hoping rates do drop. And if rates do drop below 6%, I see a big surge of buyers coming back into the market, which will make our low inventory situation even lower. And you know what that's going to do to prices. And whether you're buying or selling, remember I'm a resource. I am here to help. If you have any questions about what I just went over with our April housing market or any questions about an upcoming move, I'm here for you. You could either call me, you can text me, you can comment below. If you're on any of these social media platforms, you can find me there and send me a direct message. However you like to communicate, I am great with. My name's Eric Larkin with Real Brokers. I appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you on the next show.